Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the wallpaper on your desktop or laptop. So let's start the video. First of all, right click anywhere in the desktop and here go to Personalize setting. And as you can see, the first option is background. Click the background option, and uh, here under the background you can see pictures and expandage. There are three options: picture, solid colors, and slideshow. The first option is picture. You can choose anything from the picture. If I want to choose this one, it will change it to this wallpaper. And if I want to choose this one, and again it will change it to this wallpaper. And another option is just expand the background option again and select solid color. And here you can select any colors, any solid colors you like. If I want to select this one, and I'm going to show you, as you can see, this is just a solid color. And another option, the slideshow option, which is an interesting option. Slideshow, select the slideshow, and here you can click the browse option, and after that select any folder that contain all the wallpapers and choose this folder. And after that you can also select the way the picture change. If you wanna select 30 minutes, it will change one picture after 30 minutes or 10 and 1 minute, as you like. So in this three way you can change the wallpaper of your PC. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will see you guys in the next video.